Welcome to our Amazon Firestick tutorial today. First, head over to 2tv.store to explore. They offer the best IPTV subscriptions available. If you need assistance, Nancy is available. Let's dive into how to install IPTV now. First, connect your Firestick to your TV. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Now, navigate to the Firestick home screen. Search for the app needed for IPTV. Install the IPTV application from results found. Open the installed IPTV application afterward. Enter your IPTV subscription credentials here. Now, navigate through channels and enjoy. Don't forget, Nancy is here to support. Feel free to ask her any questions. Now, let's recap our Amazon Firestick setup. You've gained access to incredible content now. Remember to check 2tv.store often for updates. Your Firestick journey is just beginning. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials coming soon. Thank you for watching our Firestick guide. See you in the next video. Peace. Happy streaming with your Amazon Firestick.